Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify funds with Chase Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To verify funds with Chase Bank, start by logging into your Chase online banking account. Use your secure username and password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select the account from which you want to verify funds. Look for the balance information displayed on the account summary page. If you need to check a specific transaction, click on the Transactions section. This will show your recent deposits and withdrawals. To verify if a check has cleared, locate the check you've issued in your transaction history. If the check appears as cleared or paid, the funds are verified. For additional verification, you can contact Chase customer service directly. Use the phone number provided on your account statement or the back of your debit card. When speaking with a representative, provide them with your account details. They will assist you in confirming whether the funds are available. As an alternative, you can also use the Chase mobile app. Download the app if you haven't already, and log in with your credentials. Once inside the app, tap on the account you wish to verify. Similar to the website, your balance and transaction history will be displayed. If you encounter any issues, consider visiting your nearest Chase branch. Bring a photo ID for identification when speaking with a banker. They can provide real-time assistance with fund verification. Be sure to check the hold policies for checks, as they can affect fund availability. Allow time for any pending transactions to process, as this can impact your balance. Follow these steps to ensure that you have accurate and up-to-date fund verification with Chase Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.